In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website with Siteground Website Builder in 2025. This step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process, making it easy and straightforward to create your very own website in just a few minutes. To get things started, the first thing you'll want to do is visit the Siteground homepage. Open up your web browser and type in the URL world.siteground.com. This is your gateway to accessing all the resources Siteground has to offer. Once you're on the Siteground homepage, the next move is to locate and click on the login button. You'll typically find this option in the upper right corner of the screen. Log into your account using your credentials to gain access to the Siteground dashboard. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to My Siteground account. This is where you manage your sites and services. Once you're on your account page, the next step is finding the option labeled New Website. Click on New Website to start the process of building your site. By now you should be feeling optimistic about how quick and seamless the setup can be. With New Website selected, you'll begin the journey of setting up your site. Siteground offers several intuitive options to help set up the kind of website that fits your purpose. Take a moment to think about your website's purpose and audience, as it will guide the choices you make from here on out. Once you've clicked on New Website, you'll need to decide whether you want to start a new site, migrate an existing one, or create one for free with Siteground's easy, user-friendly website builder. Today we are focusing on creating a site from scratch, so select the option to start a new site. If you have a domain already, you can choose to use that one, or consider purchasing a new domain through Siteground for a seamless integration. After you've decided on and set up your domain, you will proceed with selecting the website builder you'll use. Siteground offers a top-notch website builder which is both simple and powerful, making it accessible even if you're new to creating websites. You'll find templates and design options that you can customize to your liking, so spend some time exploring these to see what fits best with your vision. During the customization phase, you're encouraged to play around with different elements like font styles, colors, and other design features to create a unique and personalized website experience. If you ever feel stuck, Siteground provides excellent support documentation and customer service to assist you. And that's it, you've now built your website using Siteground's website builder. With just a few simple steps, you've turned your idea into an online presence. Remember, the key to success is experimenting and adjusting until your website truly represents your brand and goals. I hope you found this guide helpful and encourage you to explore further to see all the features Siteground has to offer. Happy website building!